we're going to do is fold up our wiper arm. We're going to use our flathead screwdriver and go into this little tab and lift up here and pull straight up. We're going to be able to disconnect that whole arm and blade. Disconnect your wiper blade from the arm, press in on this tab. We're going to go ahead and pull that blade down. Once we have that arm off, we'll go ahead and set that aside. Take our wiper blade, snip that down, snap this over. Now we can go ahead and manually fold this up like so. And align this up. Press that down, snap it into place. Once that tab is pressed in, give it a good tug, you're locked in. Go ahead and set your wiper arm down.